All right, good morning. This is early Monday morning, February the 20th, 2023. I always like to give time and date so that whenever you watch this video, I constantly test and try and vet out different opportunities and lead generation tools and marketing materials. So, if I'm doing something and it later on it's not producing or we're not, getting the results that we like, we always kind of replace that. But for now, this training is probably going to be for my free cash lead system. I want to provide tools and marketing resources back there for my premium members. But this is one of the tools that I've recently started to use. Someone shared this platform with me about a month ago. And surprisingly, it's been around for a minute, but I'd never heard of it. So it's MLM Gateway. And what it is it's kind of like a Facebook for marketers, for people in this industry. That's kind of the way I view it. You can join for free and you can interact for free. And then there's obviously some premium benefits that I do recommend if you're serious about generating some quality leads from people in this industry. But this is the page that it looks like. As you can see, it's about 2:30 a.m. my time here in the United States. And there's already 94 people online right now. Okay. One of the benefits of being a premium member, I'll show you right here, since I'm actually one of the featured professionals, you get to be featured and people can see your profile, your information, and you can make business announcements, which I will be doing here shortly, here soon, so that I can have a more complete presence and offer some things of value to people to display that, I try to do this professionally as a marketer. So that option is always going to be there. And then you have some information to show you how to get free network marketing leads and so forth. But what I love is that people reach out to you, and I'm going to show you some messages. I had some messages here that I have not read yet, so I'm going to go over those with you. And you can see I have 2 leads right here that's waiting on me right now. These are people that have shown interest in something that I'm promoting. So let's go there now and see what's going on. So as you can see, these are people that have reached out to me that want to join my program. Here's my free cash leads program. They want to join. So I will contact them and give them the instructions on how to join and what it is that we do and some of those types of things. Okay. And I love it. Those are leads I didn't have to go out and generate. They came and they saw something about what I'm doing and they want to join with me. Okay. And then when I click on the messages, you'll see those messages that I have read and have not read. The ones that are still shaded, I have not read. So you can see here, somebody wants more information about what it is that I'm doing. Some people will show you some of the things that they're doing. He's asking what's this about. So it gives you an opportunity to have a dialogue and a discussion with people. And when you have a common interest, when you have common likes and things that you can be helpful to each other on, then you have a connection. All right, so these are some that I already responded to. James, I gave him some information. He's going to look at my site and so forth. So it's really a great platform to have better conversations on. I get spammed a lot on Facebook. I'm not a real big Facebook person. It does work. I mean, it's a very powerful marketing tool, but it's really more of a relationship building tool, and people kind of get out of hand with it. So it can be very spammy if people don't take time to develop those relationships the right way. And if I click on connections, then you'll see a lot of the people that are available for you to connect with. So these are people that have sent me some connections, and I'll go through and see if it's somebody that fits the niche that I'm in or the things that I do, and then we'll make a connection and start having a relationship here. But the other benefit to having access to this, and to especially as a premium, is you can advertise on this site. It has lead capture pages and landing pages that you can use. They're already built, and you can customize them to share and promote any programs or opportunities that you'd like and generate leads that way. It has some great training courses on how to market, how to do things in this industry that can give you a better feel for some of the tactics that are out there that work that you may want to consider and try, and just to continue to build your marketing presence online. And then lastly, it has a referral program. I like that because you'll have your own referral link, and you can earn up to 50% lifetime commissions from the people as they make purchases here. Now, I just recently joined. I hadn't really even been promoting this, but as I begin to share this as an option for a lot of people on my team, it just makes sense to have these opportunities to be affiliates of these tools and these resources that help your team, and you all earn a nice little income together. So that's just a little bit about the MLM Gateway system. As you can see again here, these are some of the featured professionals I'm here at the top, so I'll give you an idea of what my profile looks like. I'm about to update it actually, but it just gives a little bit of information about you, what it is that you're interested in. You can even list what you're not interested in and make sure that you're only connecting with people that share the same type of interests as you. You can put whatever business opportunity here. Right now, again, I have my free cash lead system because it's just a lead generation tool and a training tool that anybody, no matter what they're marketing, they can benefit from. So I have it there now. And you can list your website as a premium member now, and you can also list videos that support some of the things you do. So feel free, if there's a link associated with this video when you're watching it, you can click on it, and you can start as a free member. If you already see the value of a premium member, then you can do that as well. But more importantly, I just wanted to train you and show you one of the tools that I'm using to get leads every single day. And so far, these have been some really quality leads and people that are already familiar with this industry and that will benefit from some of the tools that I have to help them do it even better. All right. So I hope that that helps you. Hope you enjoy. If this is on YouTube, like and subscribe, please, to the channel. And I will continue to provide content for you to teach you how to market and show you some of the programs that we're using that works. Okay. All right. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Talk to you soon.